Hey there, money magicians. Anukool here from the AI Marketing School, where we turn digital dreams into dollars. Are you tired of the daily grind, dreaming about early retirement, but don't know where to start? Well, today I'm giving you a step-by-step blueprint to ditch the 9 to 5 and unlock your true freedom. Stick around because I'll show you how to transform your financial future, whether you're starting with a piggy bank or a full vault. Ready to make your money work harder than you do? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about your freedom figure. This isn't just a fancy term. It's the magic number you need to hit to start living life on your terms. Think of it like the treasure map to your financial freedom. If you're feeling lost, don't worry. Imagine trying to run a race blindfolded. Without a goal, you're just wandering. So, what's your number? If you want to retire on $50,000 a year, you'll need $1.25 million saved. Sounds daunting? Don't sweat it. With the right mindset and strategy, it's totally achievable. Just remember, smart work over hard work every time. Next, you're laying the foundations like a solid house. No quicksand allowed. Did you know that a whopping 70% of millennials are living paycheck to paycheck? It's like building on a shaky base, and we can't have that. Start by tackling that pesky high-interest debt. Think of it as the weight holding you back. I used the debt avalanche method to clear mine, and it felt like breaking free from chains. Once that's done, set up an emergency fund, because life happens, and we don't want to pull out investments just to fix the fridge. Now it's time to channel your inner Spider-Man. Why? Because you want to create a safety net of income streams. If one job goes south, you've got others to catch you. Pick side hustles that align with your skills. If you love photography, consider selling prints. Or how about affiliate marketing? Think of it like a digital recommendation. Digital dimes to online dollars. The more you diversify, the stronger your financial web becomes. Finally, let's talk passive income. This is where your money starts to work while you sleep. It's like having your own personal money minions. Investing in stocks or real estate can be your golden ticket. With apps making investing accessible, like starting with just $2, you can build your empire without breaking a sweat. I mean, who doesn't want to sip pina coladas on a beach while the money rolls in? Now let's tackle some common hesitations, or what I like to call insider secrets. You might be thinking, Anukool, this sounds like a lot, but here's the kicker. It doesn't have to be. Start small, set achievable goals. Think of it like building a Lego castle, one brick at a time. And if you ever feel overwhelmed, remember, I've got your back. We're simplifying every step. All right, it's your turn. What's your big get money quick idea? Drop it in the comments. I'm eager to hear what you're cooking up. And if you're serious about stacking those digital dollars, hit subscribe. Join me every week for more tips to build your wealth. To wrap things up, remember, finding your freedom figure, laying strong foundations, building multiple income streams, and creating passive income are your keys to freedom. So keep learning, keep earning, and always strive for the smartest work. Want to dive deeper? Check out more resources at TheAIMarketingSchool.com. Until next time, keep the magic alive